Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 26th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the daily time frame to start with. So on the Aussie dollar, we definitely did turn up as you can see, but the trend is for sure. Well, it depends. If you're looking at the weekly, the trend is definitely up because it hasn't broken this low. But if you're paying more attention to the daily, then we are definitely making lower highs, lower highs, lower highs. So we are definitely in a move to the downside on the daily. So our job is to try to figure out whether this move up right here is a pullback to this move down, or whether this right here is some kind of a bottom and it's going to go up and take out the previous highs. Meanwhile, we will be looking for longs on shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, we got a few different things going on here. We got our Fibonacci retracer from here to here. That's the red levels. But then we also have our blue Fibonacci from here to here. Because if we do get a break of structure to the downside at one of these red fib levels, then I definitely would go to shorts. It is kind of being coming pretty impulsive down right here, as you can see. But we do have to keep in mind that this move down might just be a pullback. So if it does bounce from one of these fib levels very aggressively to the upside, then you definitely want to go back to longs. What we would really like to see to start looking for shorts is something like this, like a nice solid break below structure at a Fibonacci retracement level. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.